everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just an absolutely stunning 1972 Dodge Demon. Killer little car here, guys. As you can see by the paint, this car has absolutely show quality vitamin C orange paint on it. It's got the V21 blacked out hood with the Demon side striping, but man, this paint just glows. 2-year-old complete body up restoration, very nicely done. Little hot rod, like I say, fun car to drive. It's a factory H code 340 Demon. It now has a 360 Magnum block in it with a 4-speed manual trans, and I'm telling you, all kinds of fun to drive. Really, to appreciate this car, you gotta run it down the road. Plenty of power, runs and drives excellent, and like I say, just a slick car. Dual snorkel hood. Pretty car, man. New front and rear bumpers. Yeah, I like this car, man. Like I say, it's fun to drive. There's a few things you can kind of nitpick on it. You can see it's got the actual original front glass in it, and there's some little stone pecks in it. But man, just a cool car. And like I say, just a fun car to drive. Not real hip on the mirrors, but they put the blacked out mirrors on it. I love the pop out rear windows. Look at that paint. This thing is slick. Like I say, just a fun car to bang the gears in. Go wing. Again, real 340 Demon car. It's just a little dust there, guys. Nice and straight down the sides. I believe it's got all the original body panels. I think they put lower quarters on both sides, but they did a nice job. Those are 15s on the rear and 14s on the front. Those are the factory rally wheels. Again, new front and rear bumpers. Floors are nice and clean. The bottom of this car is super clean. I mean, just a pretty car. Again, 14s on the front, 15s on the rear. Again, factory 340 car. Now it has a Magnum 360 in it. Edelbrock 4-barrel. It's got a Mopar Performance aluminum intake on it. Power steering, which is nice with the 4-speed. It's been converted to electronic ignition. You can see it's got the Mopar Performance air cleaner and valve covers. Aluminum radiator. Again, they blacked out the engine compartment. That's another thing you can kind of pick at. The car would have came factory with a painted engine compartment. I think the original color was actually white. But again, still very nicely done. Headers. Again, it's got a 4-speed manual trans, clutch, flywheel, pressure plate. All that stuff is brand new. Original fender tag. Pretty car, man. I mean, this paint is just slick. Dual snorkel hood. Wipers work. You can see these are all brand new and they polished them. Again, not super huge fan of those mirrors. Door handles are pretty nice. I'd probably try to find a set of the factory mirrors on it. Again, door skins are nice. Stock black interior, new carpet. Bucket seats, stock Hurst shifter, factory wood grain dash. Headliner's nice. Steering wheel's nice. Dash is in great shape. 19,000, 6 miles what it's showing. I'm sure that's 119. All the gauges in there work. Parking brake works. They put a sun tach on the down here, and they've also put an oil pressure gauge in it instead of using the idiot light on the dash. You can see they probably had a switch or something on the dash at one time, and they plugged it. Factory AM radio works. Blower motor works. The original owner's manual's in the glove box. But again, as you walk around this car, it is beautiful. And like I say, you got to drive it to appreciate it. The thing really hits the road great. Mike, need the deck lid open. I need the... Again, I love the pop-out rear windows and that driver's passenger door. Just a little dust in there. You can see somebody spent some money on this car. Again, this is another thing if you want to nitpick, you can see it's spackle coated from the factory. They were body color. Factory jack. There is a spare in here. Again, it's all spackle coated. Spares in there. Nice car though. Nice and clean underneath. The floors are nice. Again, if you're looking for a nice straight driver, I think you're going to be tickled with this car. Most of these cars, when I get in them, I'm not a huge fan of these A-bodies because they just don't drive that well. This one drives awesome. Sorry, I'm working with a new camera here. It's a little bigger and bulkier, but dust in here. Again, a little wrinkle in the seat. I've ordered new Demon carpeted mats for it. Again, it's got the stock Hurst shifter in it. Little split in your dash. You go ahead and fire it up. Little door handle. To it. Great sound, man. This thing just hits. Great look to it. Again, gauges are all functional. Tach down there works. Car holds good oil pressure. Go ahead and shut this door, Mike. Hit your brakes. Turn signal. Yep, reverse lights work. Go ahead and give it a little rev. Yeah, good sound. Turn your radio on into the mic. Yeah, radio works, blower motor works. Doors open and close real nice. Wipers. headlights. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking a little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys.